that's good enough?
Yeah,
or?
and then just spin the stand.
Guys, I'm here with Alex, aka Southern Showstopper. Today we're gonna be powder coating stuff in his garage. So this is gonna be DIY powder coat.
An electric smoker.
An electric smoker. So you built this, right?
Yep.
You want to do I guess you want to do like a walk around of your homemade powder coating booth?
Sure. So it's just, I wanted something that I had to bend over, and so that's why I put it on the 4x4s. But it's just a enclosed box with so the fan on the back is to pull any of the powder that you're spraying away from the object.
Yeah.
And then it has just a home air filter to catch any of the powder, so it doesn't just blow out the bag and get everywhere. And then just electrical, I put a light up top so you can see any low spots you have in the powder. That's all it is. It's just a big entrapment, so you're not like spraying out the open and get powder everywhere.
So why do you want the fan to capture all the powder? Why can't you just let it drop?
If you're spraying, because it won't drop, it'll bounce off and come back at you.
Oh, okay.
You don't want to get powder on your face.
Yep, so this is it. He built it at his house. And here's a kennel that he built too, last night. Your mom's Christmas present? Mm-hmm. Well, hopefully your mom doesn't watch my videos. You powdered this? Mm-hmm. Oh, heck yeah. You sure you've done like an illusion color?
Yeah.
Like illusion cherry or something.
And this electric smoker, I bought it off Amazon. I gutted it because it wouldn't heat up to 400, and so I gutted it and put fireproof insulation around the whole thing, top, bottom, and the door. Put the panels back on and put a heat gasket on the thing like you have on a grill. And then I had to, since it was temperature regulated, I still want to get up to 400 on like 350, so I had to pretty much straight wire the coil and put it on a switch. But it works. It gets well over 400.
Yeah. How much was that from Amazon?
Like one something.
Oh shoot, that's not bad.
No.
Do you think we can buy like 3 and put it together?
You could probably stack them, but you would need a heating coil on the bottom and top, which is only 110, so you could plug in 2 coils. So it's not like a standard oven that takes 220. That's why I did this. Well,
he's gonna show me how to powder coat. That's kind of one thing I want to learn how to do. I got smaller truck parts that I want to powder coat myself. In the future, what we want to try is we want to try bigger pieces like traction bars or maybe like a cross member or something like that. We want to see if heat lamp or any kind of, what else would work, do you think? Any of those heaters?
Eastwood, where you got the gun,
yeah.
They sell like infrared lamps.
Yeah.
That'll help cure.
Yeah, so we might try to get like a couple of heat lamps or some sort of like a kerosene heater or something like that, and kind of test out and see if that works. As long as you can get it up to about 400 degrees. I watched a video where this guy tried it with a heat lamp and it got it up to 350, 300, and it worked great. So I want to test it out myself. But today I have this random Rambler that I try to polish, but we're gonna powder coat this with whatever powder that he's got. And are we just gonna powder coat this too, just for
no, it's just
fun
a
of
stand I use.
All right, what are we powder coating today?
Colors, and I got all these.
With no illusion color though, right?
I have candies.
Dang, that's a lot of powder.
I have candy blue, neon yellow, candy red, chrome.
Chrome? Have you done the chrome yet?
I just bought it. I haven't do it yet. And I got more colors in this box too.
Yeah. Well, I got a powder coat gun from Eastwood directly. Let's find out if we have the same one.
Same gun.
Same gun?
Yep.
Cool, then I guess I don't have to take mine out. I'll just use yours. What color have you not done?
I've probably tested out all the ones that I've got.
Let's try like an illusion cherry or something.
Illusion red? I actually haven't done that one.
Yeah, let's do that one. So if you're from Augusta and you need your truck suspension parts powder coated, like smaller stuff, hit him up and then he'll powder coat it for you.
On chrome, candy red turns out a lot better too.
Really?
So it might be good that you polished it.
Good. So basically, you built this stand specifically.
I bought it off
ramblers?
Etsy.
Etsy?
Some guy makes them.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Hey. But you bought that specifically for ramblers.
Cups. Yep. It's got different size tops for different size bases.
Heck yeah. And then you wipe it down with acetone?
Yeah, wipe the cup down with acetone. And after you're done spraying, you just twist this to the right and it drops it from under the cup so it doesn't, what's on the stand doesn't bake onto the cup, so it's not like stringy at the end.
Okay. Alright, let's get started.
Yep, got the oven heating up.
Oh, heck yeah. So how long do you bake it for?
10 minutes.
So do you pre-bake this to get it hot before you powder it?
Mm-mm.
You don't?
Because the electrostatic, since it's charged like that, it'll stick right to the cup.
Okay.
And see, look, it's not like a little lazy Susan.
Okay. And that's to ground it?
Yep. See, I'll show you what I'm talking about by the electricity.
Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, that's fancy.
So say the cup's going to be your negative, it's going to be your positive.
Oh. Oh, that's cool. That's sick. Alright.
Candy red. I think you only want to do maybe like 12 to 15 psi going through the gun. That's my moisture filter. It's a little bit like the ones that you got, but it's a little different.
Okay.
Stick to the cup like this. It sticks a little bit, but just because that's just adhesion.
Right.
But to get it to actually stick, you charge the cup.
Oh, that's sick.
And don't hold the button down when you're rotating the stand.
Yeah.
It'll shock you.
It'll shock you pretty good. Alright. How long we bake it for?
We'll do 12 minutes.
12 minutes. We'll be back in 12 minutes.
To really make that candy red pop, we'll do a clear coat over it.
Okay. Oh, that turned out good. Do we need to do anything else?
We can put a clear on it if you want,
Yeah.
but I like that. I've never done it.
The clear either?
I've done a clear. I
you've
do
done
clear
clear?
a lot, yeah.
So what would it look like? Just glossier?
Glossier.
We can try it just to try it.
Okay.
We're about to put the clear on
Clear
it.
coat, yep. You want to spray it?
Sure. Is the clear in it?
Press down the button and then just probably like this far from it.
Alright.
And then spray.
Now. So press it, then
Press it and pull the trigger.
do you think that's good enough?
Yeah,
Or
and then just spin the cup, spin the stand.
don't press the button.
Nope, don't press the button.
Oh, it's hot.
Weak fingers.
Dude, my fingers are sensitive. Uh-oh.
You got too close.
Too close? What do you think?
It'll flow. It'll be fine. Oh, it's not getting a good connection. There we go. It'll be fine. That's one spot. It'll flow. Do that bottom a little bit more. It should be good.
Alright. Put it in the oven.
Let's see what what's that spot at.
Why you like that?
So as you layer colors, you see how it's not adhering as well?
Yeah.
It's because you're not going to a full metal surface. It's already coated.
Okay.
So as you layer colors. And we're at 300, so we're at 350.
Alright, so what we're gonna do this time is we're gonna get that cup and we're gonna try the candy blue.
So if you ever do get your fingerprints on it, you'll tell, because when you go to spray the powder, it won't. You see your fingerprint.
Oh really?
That's why it's good to wipe it down with gloves. You put your hand aside so you're not spraying the inside. The new Arctics from Walmart are hard to do. Have you seen the new ones? They have like a black rubber bottom.
Oh really? Oh, look at that sparkle. It's like it's already covered.
Yeah, since it's electrostatically charged, when powder gets around it, it's going to adhere to it. And then I probably hit right through there a little bit more. That should be good. That's where the light's good. Yep. That's good. Yep. So now turn that base. You can set that stuff down.
Gonna go in the oven. Ah, look at that sparkle. Alright. Dang. Dude, that's sick. That sparkle is good too. Alright, so here's the finished product. We got candy blue and then candy red. All powder coated here in Alex's garage using a homemade oven, smoker, homemade powder coating oven, and homemade powder coating booth, which is pretty neat. So I'm gonna need his help to build one of these for my house, and I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I probably need to do I do have an oven at the house. I just need the 240 volt, and luckily his dad is a certified electrician, so once again I'm gonna need your dad's help to do the powder coating at my house. Let us know what you guys thought of this video. We're probably gonna start powder coating more truck stuff, so give us some ideas, because we ran out of stuff to do today, so we just did those 2 ramblers. So we are gonna invest in a what is it called, the sandblasting cabinet?
Yeah, I want to get a blast cabinet.
Alright, so if he does that, we're gonna be able to do a lot more. So stay tuned. We're gonna be powder coating a lot more stuff, but we need your help. We need more ideas, so drop them below. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace.